Welcome to Spirit Shack. This is the Para4ce NEM Master. So basically this is a special type of REM pod, a very special type. It's one of a kind, because most ghost hunters don't know this, but there's two types of electricity, static electricity. One is contact static electricity and one is friction static electricity. So REM pods detect contact static electricity, which humans give off, and also spirits. This detects frictional electricity, frictional static electricity. So basically this is a one of a kind. Yeah, I'm surprised most of the ghost hunters aren't twigged onto this, but this is actually better for detecting ghosts than it is than the standard REM pod is. Less good for detecting humans, but far better for detecting ghosts. So yeah, it's a really underrated product. So it takes a 9-volt square battery. It has an aerial which is detachable. If you're putting this in your bag or your pocket, I'd always recommend taking it out, because you don't want to put too much pressure on the aerial and snap it off. You've got the LED light indicator switch to turn it on and off. So I'll just give you a very brief demonstration. So that's turned on. So when it's triggered, the light will go off and the sound. So basically it shouldn't go off when I touch it. Yeah, it's only just going off. You see the lights only just flashing and there's no sound. So I'm giving off very, very little frictional static electricity. So this is where the frictional one differs from the contact one, the normal REM pod. Right, so to create frictional, you have to create friction. Right, so if you do this with a normal REM pod and then put the bag near it, nothing will happen. But if you do frictional near this, that's the difference. That's the difference. You see the friction from the bag is what triggers it. So doing that wouldn't trigger a normal REM pod. So that's the main difference. So if you like one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.